I'm going to discuss about type on a path tool. What is it? If I'm just dragging something, it's showing the same text to me. So type on a path tool is path tool as it has the name of a path tool. That means it will be needing a path obviously. So I'm just taking my favorite tool is curve widget tool. Also you can use a shift plus. And for this I have just taken it I'm just making a path on it like this, as like it's the shape I want. Okay, it's done. Now I have to do is come to the path tool and just clicking over. Well, it's still doing anything. For this let's just click it none, and let's just make the stroke as black just to see the scratch of it. So here and come stroke. Okay, you have just clicked behind it with it. Now you can see the color. This is how actually the path tool works. I'm going to show another example so that you can see easily, you can understand the type on a path tool obviously. Okay, before it I have also shown a rounded shape before that. Let's just make it also none and make the stroke as 1, and back to the type on a path tool and just click over here. Ooh, it's nice. It's not feeling the inside, it's just feeling the outside of the shape. Okay, so if you want to change the color of it, let's just select all, Ctrl A, and now select all the red shape. It will be common. Wow, it's nice. So you can do it by clicking it, type on a path tool. The rest of the tool I'm going to discuss about my next video is vertical type tool, vertical area type tool, and vertical type on a path tool. These 3 things is nearly the same. That's why I'm going to show you in my next video these 3 things. Thank you so much.